Pastor, good day, oh.
Bless you, Papa Ojo.
Bless you too. Pastor, wait. Where are you taking all these drinks to?
You know I'm a man of God.
Exactly.
So I receive visitors every day. So anytime they come, I will tactically give it to them.
Wait, you mean every day?
Of course. Papa Ojo.
You are welcome, oh.
How did you get here?
I'm your visitor.
Hey, but we pass you on the way.
Who am I? Bring them, let's partake in the ministry, eh? Time wait for nobody.
What are you trying to say?
I'm your visitor.